Okay, I'm back on this driver's side gray area. Step back. That's what we have, that midsection. It looked like neglect earlier, but it's trying to get better, I guess. I don't know. It's better than the rust. The big thing that pokes out is this dent. It doesn't stick out in a minute. It's not going to bother me, but that's what you get when you ass bump a door shut. That is an ass bump. That's what happens. When your door don't shut all the way and you ass bump it too many times, you get that. So if you don't want that, don't ass bump your door. Put your hand on it right in there and give it a little bump where the latch is. Out there, that metal's weak and you're gonna get an ass dent. Anyway, I'm gonna tear all this paper off of this thing. Call it a day, called the sun's getting up. Just wanted to show you progress. I am gonna do the top of this thing in this primer gray. It has a pretty good bit of rust on it. I don't think I'm gonna get that today. Maybe that's another weekday project or something. I don't know. It doesn't take a couple of hours to do it, but the sun's gonna catch me when I ain't into all that sweating. All right, this is Mo Damn It Tire Creek Ironworks. I'm out.